Hello and welcome to Yoga with Rachel. Today we have a quick practice in store for us to help us release feelings of anger, frustration, hurt, or whatever other emotion is coming to the surface that is not serving us well. In terms of props, no props are required for today's practice. Just bring your beautiful self with you to the mat. Alrighty, let's release these emotions together. Hello friends, so we begin today's practice in mountain pose, standing on our mat, feet hip distance apart or wider than hip distance, your choice. We're not going to worry about alignment today, just simply find your mountain. Feel free to close your eyes or even keep a soft gaze looking directly past your nose and allow your hands to just fall to your sides and breathe here. We are going to use this time to notice how we are feeling. Can you identify the emotion or the emotions that are coming to the surface? If you are unsure of what emotion you're feeling, know that you are not alone. Sometimes it can be tricky to identify how we are feeling or even just why we're feeling a certain way. We just may be having an off day for whatever reason. So my hope is that this practice will serve you well and perhaps will help you release whatever emotion you are feeling that is just not useful to you in the present moment. So I invite you, as we breathe in, to notice your breath. Notice the air traveling through your nostrils, down the back of your throat, into your chest, and perhaps then into your belly. And then what happens on your exhale? So the breath can be an exceptional tool to help us calm down, release tension, release emotions that we are feeling, to help us stay grounded. So as we move through this practice, I encourage you to return to your breath. See if that helps release whatever it is that you are feeling. Let go of it. Another useful tool is a mantra, and perhaps we try that out today. Perhaps your mantra is, I choose to let go of blank. Whatever emotion you are feeling right now. And if you don't know, you can just simply say, let it go. Just like the song. So I'll breathe in together and then just empty it out. Great. Open your eyes if they were closed. Just take a moment just to take in your surroundings here and notice how you feel. Okay, so we're going to be moving through a movement that I learned in my yoga teacher training, and it really helped me boost my mood and also release some of the emotions that I was carrying with me, that I was feeling. So I hope that you find this very useful. I kind of look at it as like a rinse or a cleanse, right? We're just releasing and letting go of whatever it is that we are feeling. So let's just give it a try and perhaps see what happens. So I'm going to guide us through this. So as we inhale, we send our hands up and overhead, palms facing one another. Take up space here. Really send energy through those fingertips. And then on an exhale, begin to hinge forward at your hip here, sending your bum back in space, and then begin to bend your knees quite generously as you sweep your hands back and behind you. Okay, last to release towards the earth is the crown of the head. Breathe in to come on up, and then exhale, go back on down. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay, inhale to come back on up. For this next little bit now, we're gonna add some sound. So feel free to yell, you can do an audible exhale, so very sharp exhale, or you can even repeat your mantra, let it go. Okay, let's do this. Inhale, up, exhale, ha. 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 Now you carry it away. Ha. 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 Two more. One more. Ha. Come on back up and notice how you feel. Whew. Perhaps you're feeling some energy flowing. Perhaps you feel the blood rushing, your heart pumping. Just pick up on those sensations. Feel it on out. Okay. Wow. I already feel like a little bit lighter right now. Okay, so we're gonna inhale to send our hands up and overhead, palms kissed together. Our hands are now in prayer position. We're gonna slice it right on down through the middle to our heart and begin to hinge forward at your hips here, sending your bum back in space, bending your knees quite generously. We're coming into a forward fold. Allow your hands to rest on the mat, or if you would like, you can clasp opposite elbows and find a gentle sway from side to side. I personally like to bring my belly towards the tops of my thighs here, just to get a nice little release in my back body. Inversions can be really helpful, like forward folds or downward facing dog, for allowing the blood to flow in the opposite direction. This can help with anxiety, tension, or just letting go of whatever emotion it is that you are feeling. Allow that emotion to just kind of spill off your back. Feel free to close your eyes. Just find whatever movement feels right for your body here. Okay, and then we're going to eventually find some stillness. Allow your hands to release to the earth and begin to bend your knees quite generously here, allowing your heels to lift away from the earth. Perhaps take a moment to loop your shoulders, look forward, and then on an exhale, bow your head, chin towards your chest. We're kind of coming in this little ball shape or pod shape here. And breathe here. Excellent. Release your knees to the ground. You may have to walk yourself back on your mat just for a moment. Bring your big toes to touch, knees nice and wide. Begin to sit back towards your heels and walk your hands out in front of you. Breathe in, and on your exhale, begin to melt your chest, your forearms, and your elbows to the mat. And last to release is your forehead to or towards the earth. And breathe here. If this posture is not jiving with you, no worries, my friends. Feel free to create a hand pillow here. You can rest your forehead on your hands. If you need more of a lift, you can create fists. Now release your forehead to your fists. And if those options are not working, it's okay. Come and find a comfortable seat and focus in on your breath. Perhaps we find a little swaying action here from side to side, massaging our brow bone. This is regarded as a pose of surrender, of release. Perhaps we repeat our mantra here. I choose to let go of, or let it go. This is a great stretch as well for the upper back body, the shoulders. So hopefully you're getting a nice little stretch in here. One more breath cycle. Really breathing on into the back body, feeling your skin stretch as you do that, and then exhale, empty it out. Okay, begin to carve a line with the nose. Look forward, rise on up, walk your hands in towards your body, knees come together and swing your legs off to one side. We're gonna make our way to a cross-legged position on our mat. Okay, once you arrive here, we're gonna use this time to just kind of find some organic movement. We're really gonna listen to our body. You know, what is our body craving? What is it needing right now during this time? So it's really up to you. You're kind of in the driver's seat here. You're in control. However, if you are looking for some guidance, feel free to follow me. Okay, let's do this. Okay, and then when you feel happy with the movement that you have taken, or movements, we're gonna come to lie flat on our backs. When you arrive there, take some space. Hello, angel. Just allow your body to grow nice and heavy here. Take a moment to snuggle your shoulder blades underneath your back body just to create a little opening in the chest here. Tuck in your chin slightly, creating length in the back of our neck. Okay, so we're into our last little part here. You may have heard the following expression or phrase: laughter is the best medicine. Well, you guessed it. You may already know where I'm going with this. We are going to be playing around with laughter. We're gonna laugh. So, this may feel a little uncomfortable or uneasy at first, or perhaps you're just like, yes, this is so cool, I want to experiment with this. So I'm going to encourage you to keep an open mind as we explore this, to play, experiment, stay curious, and just see what happens. Okay, so let's do this. We're going to breathe in, and then just start to laugh. Okay, and stop. Wow, I already feel a little bit of a difference there. So you may notice that the laugh may have seemed a little bit fake or forced at first because, we are, trying to do that. However, it may over time become more genuine, right? Or perhaps you're laughing at me now, right? Because you saw me laughing and it looked funny. And it's kind of like whatever works, right? Whatever works for you, whatever kind of can boost your mood. Okay, So maybe now this time let's play around with placing our hands on our belly so that way we can actually feel the movement happening. All right, one more time. We're only gonna do this for 10 seconds, okay? You got this. Breathe in, and then just start to laugh. Okay, and we can stop there. Beautiful. Allow your hands to either still rest on your belly or at your sides. We're going to take 3 more breath cycles in together. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. One more time, breathe in. And perhaps this time just sigh it out. Just thinking, like, no wonder Santa Claus is always so happy and jolly. He's laughing all the time. Okay, so hug your knees in towards your heart center. Maybe find a rock back and forth here. Just massaging the back body, the low back. And then rock on over to one side, coming up through to fetal position. Please just take your time, take it nice and slow. Coming back to a cross-legged seat here, and notice how you feel. So I really hope that you found this practice useful, that you're feeling better, that you were able to let go or release whatever emotion you were carrying within you. So anyways, I just hope it was a really good one for you. If you haven't done so, kindly subscribe to the Yoga with Rachel channel, as it is the best way to support free yoga content for all. Hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos to the channel. And if you like the practice, give it a like, give it a little thumbs up, and please share this video with someone that you believe would benefit from exploring this practice. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I love you guys. Take good care. Bye for now.